Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by picking a tech stack and locking essential services because speed matters. Choose a back-end language and a front-end framework, then provision a database and test instance. Once done, register for API keys like SERP and Google Trends so you can pull metrics. Make sure rate limits fit your plan. Next, sketch a minimal data model with fields for keyword term, monthly volume, difficulty, CPC, and timestamp. This gives you immediate, structured data to build queries and UI components. Now build the ingestion pipeline and the ranking core. Implement scheduled API pulls or a crawler behind a queue, add exponential backoff and retries, and store raw responses for auditing. Then normalize metrics and apply weighted scoring so results reflect both volume and difficulty. Tune weights after tests. Meanwhile, create the front-end search flow. Instant suggestions, filter controls, sortable results, and CSV export. Make sure to validate inputs, paginate responses, and cache common queries to reduce API costs and improve responsiveness. Finish by hardening deployment and observability so users get reliable results. Set up SCI/CD, production environment variables, monitoring dashboards, and alerting for error spikes. Optimize performance. Add database indexes on keyword and score fields, implement caching for frequent queries, and throttle expensive endpoints. If something goes wrong, check logs first, replay failed ingestion jobs, and review API quota or credential errors. Make sure to surface meaningful error messages to users. Finally, iterate on scoring and UX based on real usage and feedback.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.